Hello and welcome to another update video about Bloktopia. Now we're moving, and that is great. So before we start here and dive into this technical analysis, just want to make you aware that in the member live stream on Sunday, so if you are a channel member, if you're interested in that, you can find a link in the description. As a channel member on a weekly basis, there is one live stream per week, and there we talk always about certain topics. In the last video we talked about the potential cycle top for Bitcoin. And in the next one on Sunday, I want to talk about metaverses. So I'll do a deep dive into metaverse projects, maybe even gaming, VR projects, and about the potential growth of this market. So if you're interested in that, tune into the live stream as a channel member. So if you're not a channel member yet, you might want to try it. If not, that's fine as well. I continue to do free videos here anyway. But that is just if you want if you want to provide extra support for the channel, and if you're interested in joining the core community. And you can also, if you're a silver or gold member, you can join the live chat in the Telegram group and the Discord group. And it's going well. We're now over 110 members within just 1.5 months. That's great. It's growing and fantastic. So yeah, metaverses will be the topic on Sunday in the live stream. Can't wait for that. So we are, in my last video, I did one yesterday because I felt it was time to do one for Bloktopia. And we are moving up. It is great. We saw yesterday that beginning of that uptrend down here. But, I mean, this is a 4-hour chart. I said, look, as long as we don't break out of this descending channel here, we are going to continue the immediate downtrend. Now, we did that. And I said, if we break out of this descending channel, we also need to get above the fib level here, the 0.786 at 7.7 cents. And we did that. So it might be picking up a little bit now. I mean, this is the strongest uptrend that you've seen since, I mean, not even here, probably, I mean, this was a huge candle. It was the biggest move here really since the 2nd of November. Everything that you had here wasn't that strong. So yeah, we see here various green candles coming up. Found resistance now at the 20-day moving average here. 20-day moving average is currently at 8.5 cents. So that's definitely the next key resistance. We need to get above this 8.5 cent 20-day moving average, which is also why we're struggling a little bit at the moment. It's actually a bit more than 8.5. It's probably 8.6 cents we need to get above. And that is where we found resistance here. So losing a bit of steam at the moment because we have problems a little bit to get through. But what we did, and that is great. So I'll take out this channel for now because this has now been invalidated by breaking out. We are now above this key fib level here, the 0.786. So what we did as well, and that's great, we have retested this fib level as support. You can see that here, retested, and we moved up from here, a long wick to the downside. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Here's where it's getting interesting. This is a nice move to the upside here. Look at that. Move up, maybe even wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and now I would expect a wave 5 if that is playing out like that. And we add the Elliott waves here. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then you would expect, you know, let's just draw the fibs. There you go. I did say it before that in a move from wave 3 to wave 4, you would most likely expect the price to come down to the 0.382 fib level, and we did that. So from here then we can expect prices now, you know, breaking through the 8.7 cent level and go to 9.5 cents in a 1.272 extension move, maybe even 10.5 cents. That would be the 1.618 extension level. But personally, I think that would mean that the wave 5 is longer than the wave 3. So possibly not that way, but certainly the 9.5 cents. If that plays out as an impulsive move to the upside. If not, then we need to rethink the counts here. That was just a quick and crude one, but it certainly is looking like a 5-wave structure here. And need to get above that 20-day moving average. And then we can get higher here. That would still mean that we're below the 0.618 here on the key fib levels on the larger scale. That would still mean we are below the golden pocket, the 0.618 fib level at 9.8 cents. or just get there, you know, very, very close. But it would mean that we are above the 20-day moving average again. I would expect at that point then the price just needs to cool down a little bit, because we are then probably overbought. The good thing is though, that because the RSI was so low down here, it was nearly oversold, that we had such a scope to get to the upside, and we're back in the bullish range on the RSI. On the MACD, had a buy signal here, and I talked yesterday, we saw a potential turnaround coming. It was not a very strong one, but a potential one, and I mentioned it. A bullish divergence here on the price. So on the 1 hour chart, you could see where we made lower lows on the price, we saw higher lows, weak higher lows on the RSI, indicating a potential reversal, but it was only a small and a weak signal. But overall, looking good. I did say though that we could find support here at the 50 line of the RSI, which we did as well. So it's good. It's looking good for Bloktopia. Maybe the latest partnership with Meta Hero helped a little bit, and also the staking pools, they help. And also what possibly helps is that they have delayed some of the token releases, and what possibly also helps is that they have stopped to unlock some of their tokens. I think they delayed some of the token releases until the end of the NFT land sale marketplace. So that's looking all good. I think yeah, we might be back on our way up now. Need to see how this is going to play out. In the long run, I expect anyway further price increases, but hopefully this shorter term trend to the downside might be over now. So I want to get above the 20-day moving average. I think that would confirm the reversal of that downtrend, because then we're back above a moving average, back above a shorter term trend indicator. That'd be very helpful. But a good day for all Bloktopia holders until now. So, and I'm sure new partnerships will be announced, so that will be good. All right, so hopefully you liked the video about Bloktopia. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.